Hello traders, I'm Ignat Bersenko and this is a special video about the stock market, and let's start with Dow. As you can see on the 8 hours chart, we've got here an extension in the third wave here, and this smaller wave 3 is also going to be extended, which means we could have here this wave 5. However, there's an option for a local correction here, somewhere in here, which could be wave 2 inside this wave 5, and that's why I closed my trades here last Friday, so I'm out of the market until this correction ends. And now let's go on trading view and let's see what I posted here last September when we had here this correction. And it was the same wave count I've got now, with this wave 4 and 2 first waves, like 1, 2 and 1 of 3. So for now, it seems like the market is likely going to climb even higher. However, there's another interesting moment and I posted it on October, we also could have here a diagonal triangle in wave 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But this count was cancelled by this bullish trend, so as you can see here, we didn't have any sign to have a reverse here. So Dow is still bullish, and now it's time to look to shares, and let's start with monthly chart of McDonald's, where we've got this log scale and possible extension in this wave 3. Therefore, this bullish trend here is still on the table, and let's move on to the daily chart, where we've got this wave 5, from here to here. It seems like we've got an extension in the third wave here with a diagonal triangle in wave 5, and now there's an opportunity to have a bullish impulse in this wave 5, which means this wave 3 is likely going to be continued. Also, I had the same count last October when I posted this, so as you can see, wave 3 here is on the way. And let's have a look at the wave structure of this wave 3, and it's likely that we've got here an extension in wave 3, which is likely going to be ended soon. However, there's another wave count, which means we could have here a bigger extension with bigger wave 3. So when this impulse ends, this one, which could be wave 3 inside this wave 3, I'm going to wait to a correction, and if a small bullish impulse arrives afterwards, then this wave count will be the main one. Also, I had long trades on McDonald's and I've closed them after this huge gap. Facebook is also very interesting and very bullish, because we've got here this bullish trend. So we've got here a huge extension in wave 3 with a smaller extension here in this wave 3, this one. And now the price is rising in this wave 5, so this wave 3 is likely going to be continued, but as you can see here on the 1 hour chart, this impulse is about to end. So when this wave 5 ends, and if we see here a small bearish impulse, there'll be a risk to have a quite deep correction, which could be this wave 4. Also, I was bullish here last year, and I posted this wave count on my Russian video last November, and it was a very interesting moment because we had here a correction which was similar to the previous ones, and that's a reason I opened here some long trades, and the last one was closed here last week because we had here a pullback from the upper side of this channel. So now I'm out of the market. Let's move on to Apple shares, where I've got this huge extension on the monthly chart. We've got here wave 3 and just bigger wave 3, this one. So after this wave 5, we could have here a quite big correction, which is going to be wave 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. However, this impulse could be just wave 1 inside this wave 5, so if after this price movement we see just a small correction, then wave count with bigger wave 5 will be on the table. And as you can see on the 2 hours chart, this wave 5 hasn't been finished yet, because we've got here wave 1, a flat pattern in wave 2 and an extension which is still on the way in wave 3, so we could also have here wave 4 and wave 5. And as you can see on my Russian video, which was posted last November, I was bullish on Apple as well, so you can see here this wave 4 wave 1 and a flat bottom in wave 2. And I'm keeping here one long trade cause this small wave 5 is likely going to be continued, which means we could have here a new high next week. So that's all for this video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care and bye bye.